One of the easiest ways to learn how to knit colorwork for the first time is to actually knit it quite a lot like you'd knit anything else, holding just one color at a time. And so I'm going to demonstrate this with our chart here. We have 1 in our contrast color and then 3 in our background color. And so what you'll do is pick up your main color, which is your background color, and hold it as you normally do, tension it however you normally tension it, and you will knit your 3 stitches here using that color, and then just drop it. All you need to do is pick up your contrast color, so that's our color for our motifs, in the same way that you would normally hold any singular yarn, and we're going to knit our single purple stitch. Then again, you're going to drop your contrast color yarn and pick up your main color yarn again, and we'll knit 3 more stitches that way. And then we'll drop our white yarn, pick up our purple yarn, knit our single stitch, drop our purple yarn again, and pick up our white yarn. And so you can continue working in this way. It's a really easy way to get started because you actually don't have to do almost anything different than what you normally do when you're knitting with just one yarn, because you're not actually managing both yarns at the same time. So you can keep doing this across your entire row, through your entire pattern that you're working with, picking up and dropping your yarns as needed for the different stitches that you're knitting. And this is one of the easiest ways to get started with colorwork because it is pretty much the same as the type of knitting you've already been doing. And then pretty soon you'll start to knit the rest of your pattern and you'll be well on your way into being a colorwork expert in no time.